The new Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven provides you with a healthier, easy-to-use cooking method that produces great-tasting treats by using less fat. Air frying, which uses powerful ultra-hot air and 98% less oil than deep frying, is a healthier way to cook. Prepare your delicious fried favorites from wings and fritters to fries and shrimp using little or no fat in the cooking process. The Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven is a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer, which means it uses a combination of hot air, high blower velocity, and 4 upper heating elements to not only bake, toast, and broil, but also to air fry your favorite foods. Frying your favorite crispy foods with less fat, baking, broiling, and toasting. Now you can be guilt-free and enjoy the crunch without the calories with the new Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven.
BLACK+DECKER, change the way you cook. The BLACK+DECKER extra-wide convection oven just might replace your full-size oven. The extended interior fits most 13 by 9-inch pans, a 12-inch frozen pizza, or 8 slices of bread. Plus, convection technology circulates air throughout the oven for fast and even cooking for whatever you're making. Bake, broil, toast, and keep warm functions give great results for a variety of tasks. And the included bake pan and broil rack make the process even easier. A pair of precision timers serve as your trusty cooking partners. The 60-minute timer with stay-on functionality is great for extended cooking tasks, and the dedicated toast timer crisps bread to perfection. Plus, keep the oven tidy with a removable crumb tray that allows you to discard food crumbs before they burn in the bottom of the oven. The BLACK+DECKER extra-wide convection oven, spacious baking right on the countertop.
Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven is in a class of its own. With 15 cooking functions and 1,875 watts of power, it earns every compact inch of space it occupies on the countertop. Choose a traditional cooking function or select unique ones, like Dual Cook and Speed Convection. Dual Cook combines functions for sequenced heating, and Speed Convection gets right to work, cooking foods with no preheat. Choose from the Cuisinart family of toaster ovens and bring an amazing array of features home today.